Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok streaks not working, and here's how it is done. To begin, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Check the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and download any updates that are available. After updating, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, in the top right corner and tap it to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, which will take you to a screen with various account options. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem and tap on it. You'll be directed to a page where you can specify the type of issue you are facing. Choose Submit a Report. In the provided text box, clearly explain your issue. You might say something like, I am reaching out because my TikTok streak is not working, which is very important to me. I would greatly appreciate any help in recovering my streak. Thank you for your assistance. Once you have finished your report, review your message for clarity and accuracy before submitting. After submission, be prepared to wait for a response. TikTok usually takes around 24 to 48 hours to review reports, although this can vary. During this time, keep an eye on your notifications and the email link to your account, as they may contact you for additional information or to update you on the outcome. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok streaks not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.